Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 4. This module, we're going to talk about numbers, times, and dates. So there's a few different things under the readings, different web pages, articles, so make sure you check out all of those about different ways to say the time and the days. Under the listening, you're going to hear people say their phone numbers. That's similar to something that's on the quiz, so make sure you can listen and understand the phone numbers. Then here we have something that says upcoming assignment pronunciation project number 1. So next module, module 5, we have our pronunciation project, which is where you're going to read a text and aim for clear pronunciation. So here we just have like a little reminder tutorial about the vowel and consonant sounds. So it's always important to go over those for every speaking assignment, but especially thinking about the pronunciation project next week, make sure you feel comfortable with the vowel and consonant sounds. Then for the assignments, so we have the homework packet like always. For the speaking assignment, it's actually 2 parts. So in the first part, you're going to answer the questions about yourself. And then the second part, you're going to ask a patient questions. But just record it all in one file, just part 1, part 2. But just make sure you have both parts. And then the quiz like always. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.